In trigonometry, compound angles, you need to find out cos 15 degree. But we know the values of 0 degree, cos 0, cos 30, cos 45, cos 60, cos 90. So how to find out cos 15 degree? This can be written as cos of 45 degree minus of 30 degree, that is equal to 15 degree. This is the formula of cos A minus B, cos A cos B, cos A cos B plus sin A, sin A sin B, sin A sin B. Cos A B means cos A value cos 45. How much cos 45? 1 by root 2. Cos 30 cos 30 value root 3 divided by 2 plus sin 45 1 by root 2. Sin 30 1 by 2. Here 1 into root 3 root 3. 2 into root 2 2 root 2 plus 1 into 1 1. 2 into root 2 2 root 2. Now LCM is 2 root 2 here, then root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 is cos 15 degree value. This is the answer.